Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Jenny and this is Self in Progress. And so for today's video, let's open the Dji Fpv Combo and see what's in the box. And the price range from $1,200. Guys ready? Okay. So if you base into the reviews, Dji has good reviews from other people. Ta-da! Look at that, guys. So it comes with a drone, and this one is the, you know, where you put it's like a virtual reality. So it comes with a drone and it comes with this thing. So you can see where it's flying. Pretty neat. And so in the box it comes with the drone, the goggles, the controller, AC power cable, and it has a battery that's intelligent flight battery. It has a goggle headband, control stick, joystick. It also comes with a goggle power cable, and it comes with 4 propellers for the drone. And it comes with a goggles battery, comes with an AC power, USB data cable, the top shell of the, I believe this would be the top shell for the goggles. And the goggles antenna comes with manual and USB Type-C OTG cable. It's made for iPhone, so it is a made match for iPhone XS Max, iPhone 8, iPhone XS, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone XR. Oh, even matched with iPhone 7, iPhone X, iPhone 7 Plus. What about iPhone 12? Okay, now let's do the inside. So this is how the goggle looks like. Pretty cool, huh? And then it's quite heavy. But this guy looks epic. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. And there's camera here. Camera and sensor. The propellers. This one comes off like this, just goes there. controller, joystick, and I believe I'm gonna put the joystick here. I believe this would be for the phone, or no need for the phone because it's already with the goggles. I'll figure that out. And let's check what this is. So these are the propellers. Oop. The propellers. Another set of propellers. So there's 4 propellers in one box. And there's 2 boxes, so there's 8 propellers. And look at this. The box is really like sturdy. So that. Shoot. Battery. And this one is, I believe, the drone battery. There you go. There you go. So the battery has the DJI logo on it. And it says I don't know what it says, it's Chinese. And then this is the box for the other accessories. So let's put back what we already opened, the propellers. And let's gently put it back in there. So tomorrow we will try this out. And then, what is this? Flying things. So we have 2 cords. One for the goggles. And one for the charger for the... These are pretty much the accessories. And this one, it's like a cosmetic. I don't know, it's too sealed. There you go. So, oh, I believe this would be for this, right? So this would be for the whoever you prefer color green, then this is for that. I think green is better because you can see it from afar. That's just my idea. And this one is for the goggles. Let's open this up also. And there you are. And that would be for the goggle, I believe. So there you have it, guys. with this combo, it already comes with a goggle. So with this combo, it already comes with a goggle, the drone, the propeller. It comes with a battery, one battery, and comes with one charger. And this one for the goggles, and this one for the drone. And the combo cost again 1,400. That includes the tax already. So I will link the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I would like to say thank you for those people who also leave comment on my previous video. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your support. And for more videos, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and share my video. It would really help. Thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.